How to fix iPhone ringing when silent mode is on after new iOS update. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, many iPhone users are complaining that their iPhone rings even when silent mode is on. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can solve this problem on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. To solve this problem, first make sure that the ringer switch in your iPhone is on. The switch on the right side of your iPhone should be orange. If it is on and your phone is still ringing, then move on to the next method. Method 2. Turn off emergency bypass. For that, first go to the Contact app on your iOS device. Then tap on Contact tab at the bottom. In the Contact tab, select the contact whose call still ring in the silent mode. After selecting the contact, tap on Edit button. Now find ringtone and tap on it. This is the ringtone option, tap on it. Here, make sure that the emergency bypass is not on in your device. If it is on, turn it off. Now tap on Done. Method 3. Disable Allow Calls from in focus. For that, launch the Settings menu on your iOS device. Now, swipe down and tap on Focus. Then tap on Do Not Disturb at the top of the page. Next, tap on People. Here, make sure no contacts are listed under Allow Calls From. If contacts are listed here, remove them. Solution 4. Reset your iPhone's all settings. If the ringtone problem is not resolved even after trying all these settings, then reset your iPhone all settings once. For that, open the Settings menu on your device. On the Settings menu, swipe down and tap on General. Then swipe all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Now tap on Reset All Settings. After that, enter your iPhone passcode. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Tap Reset All Settings to confirm your action.